How to sign up affiliate Crakrevenue. Signing up for Crakrevenue's affiliate program lets you earn commissions by promoting adult and dating offers. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you how to do that one. So the first thing that we are going to do is open our Google, and here in Google we're just going to go ahead and type Crakrevenue affiliate, and then you should be able to see something like this. It's affiliate marketing tool, so go ahead and click that one, and then we're just going to go ahead and scroll down. So when you scroll down, you should be able to see something like this. Your success as an affiliate is ours as a CPA network. So we're just going to go ahead and scroll down even more, and then you should be able to see here an option that says get started. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. And then you have here the two options on how to create your own account. So one, you can manually do it, and another one is you can just go ahead and sign up with your Google account. So to make things easier, I'm going to choose Google. Alright, this account right here, click continue. And now it is preparing our account. Alright, there you go. So now we can go ahead and start this one. So what is your role? You're going to click this one, and you're going to go ahead and choose between the following. So say for example, I'm going to go ahead and proceed with influencer or content creator, and then your top social accounts. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose YouTube, and our username is EasyWeber, just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and click this one here. Pick your top verticals. So we're going to go ahead and choose between the following. So let's try to find something, this one right here, say for example, and I'm going to go ahead and click this one here, top countries we promote. So we're going to go ahead and choose the countries here. So say for example, we're going to focus on US and Canada. There you go. And anything else you'd like to add to get approved faster, so you can definitely add for more here. An example would be an experience or more details about your traffics, offers you already promote, and something else. So you can go ahead and put this one. This is definitely very important. Now I'm just going to go ahead and skip this one because I'm going to leave this to you, and we're going to go ahead and click this one. Where are you residing? I'm from the Philippines. There you go. And then the phone number. So I'm just going to go ahead and type this one real fast. And you have here instant messaging platform of choice. So we're going to click this one, and then you have here different options. So we're going to go ahead and choose, say for example, Telegram. And then for the Telegram username, I'm going to go ahead and say, so yep, once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and basically answer this one. How did you hear about us? So forum, I'm going to go ahead and say Reddit, for example. So promo code and then company, those are optionals. We're going to click this one and click join Crakrevenue now. Oops, seems like we really have to put this one here. Alright, there you go. Now click join Crakrevenue, and then this is what we have right here. So thank you for registering. Before you gain access to our offers, we need to review your registration. So this process can take up to 3 business days, and then we'll just have to wait for it. So yep, that is what you're going to do. Again, just go ahead and wait for this one. Go ahead and try to check your Gmail from time to time. So yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to sign up for an affiliate program here in Crakrevenue. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.